So sorry, student. A little interruption that I am finding that light is problematic, creating problem here. So it is problematic. So I will fix this in next class. Definitely fix because so I am finding that this is also reflecting in my eyes also. So class got disrupted. So this disruption was there. So again I will starting, but the light problem I will surely that at that section light is not coming properly. It is too much reflecting, so that the students or the camera is not taking properly the picture at that section. So I will definitely solve that light problem here, and a good light setup I will arrange and for the permanent solution. But hope you are understanding well what is trigonometry. So up from the previous class I am going to the another approach with continuation of the previous class. So that trigonometry, why we learn trigonometry, and also so algebra plus geometry I am telling it is trigonometry. It is my opinion and it's true opinion. Why I am telling like that? Because trigonometry in future, in up to class 9 and 10, it's up to find algebra plus geometry is trigonometry. Okay, in trigonometry in further days you will see that algebra is there, geometry is there, some part of mensuration is there. Again higher studies, you can see number theoretical some part is there. And if you I tell you about Ramanujan, okay, so Ramanujan has shown trigonometry in use trigonometry, number theory, continued fraction, infinite system. So later I will tell you I will go in depth of that type of mathematics. So right now you for the class 9 and 10, for I'm they're writing again for class 9 and 10, keep it mind algebra plus geometry is trigonometry. In our further class some parts of mathematics is going to add with that class. Okay, so what will be I will discuss it later. So another thing, the problem is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Prove it. The students who are doing advanced in class 9 or 10, they can solve it. Those who are new, I am telling or I am doing the solution for them. Like that, you know that sine theta equals to h by capital H. Whole square means both numerator and denominator will be squared. Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. So both numerator and denominator will be squared. Okay. Another thing, very important theorem for learning trigonometry is Pythagoras theorem. So do you know Pythagoras theorem? Hmm? Do you know the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is that for a right angle triangle, okay, hypotenuse if it is h, it is if it is base b, it is height h. Or for that you can for a better understanding I am using h, small h capital H B. So for better understanding keep it c, name ABC, and opposite of A, opposite of C, opposite of B. Okay, so B is right angle here. So angle ABC is right angle here. Okay, so now if angle ABC is right angle here, so from the Pythagoras theorem he proved that hypotenuse square, that means B square equals to A square plus C square. Okay, so how it is proved I will prove it later. It seems it is a basic trigonometrical class. I am not going in details of Pythagoras theorem proof. So in the Pythagoras theorem class or geometry class, I will definitely show that not only square. If you add multiply any constant with that particular thing, it will be automatically equal. And you multiplying constant, beautiful wonderful result is coming. So how we can use Pythagoras theorem in different aspects, I will show you in next geometry class of class 9 and 10 and some part of 8. Okay, some part of 8, because triangle is starting from class 8. Triangles theorem is starting from class 8. So I will show that. So it is Pythagoras theorem. So in coming back to the trigonometry, so it is Pythagoras theorem. So I'm erasing it right now. So I'm erasing it. So now it's, so it is, so from here in the triangle, what is hypotenuse h? So keep it right, h square equals to base square plus height square. Yes, is it fine? Base square plus height square equals to hypotenuse square. So now divide it by a square. Fine. So both side you can divide it by a square. So write down a square by a square, capital A square, sorry, capital A square, divided by capital A square. Yes, small a square by capital A square. Is it fine? Hope you are understanding. So I can divide a non-zero value in each side, LHS, left hand side and right hand side. Non-zero value, keep it mind, it's a non-zero value. Non-zero value. Okay, non-zero value. So what will be there? It is 1. It is b square. It is b square by b by h whole square. Yes or no? It is h by capital H whole square. Yes or no? Okay. So what will be that? B by h? Tell me. And you can bring it from here to left hand side. So I am writing again b by h capital H whole square, small h by capital H whole square equals to 1. So what will be the b by h? Tell me. What is the b by h? B by h, it is cos theta. Whole square means cos square theta. H by capital H, what is? Sin theta. Then it is sin square theta. So you can write it here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So write it down in better way. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. A beautiful formula has generated already. So another thing, I am giving you homework. Homework means you can do it by your own. So that's why I am telling it is homework. You can tell it, you can do it by your own. So another thing is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. You can prove it by your own using Pythagoras theorem. So in the next trigonometrical class, first I will tell this. Right now I am not proving it because I have proven one kind of problem. You can do it by your own. So another thing is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to, okay. So how many formulas we are getting today? It is a very basic class, so more 2-3 class of trigonometry. From the basic trigonometry I will do. One part I have covered today. So this is the end of basically 6 and formulas and 6 definition. So I am writing it down, 6 formulas, 3 formulas, sorry, 3 formulas and 6 definitions right now. So in the next class I will discuss from here, okay, from the from where I am stopping I am discuss from here. So very important topic I am covering today, that six definitions means you have learned here. I am writing it down. 1, sine theta equals to small h by capital H. This is a definition. Cos theta equals to base by height, capital base by hypotenuse. Tan theta equals to height by base. 4, cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by height. Sec theta equals to hypotenuse by base. Cot theta equals to base by height. Its sixth definition or the naming has given here. Again, I am doing that formulas what I am getting. You can tell it from A, it is definition. From B1, I am getting sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Second, the thing I have given you, two formulas I have given you to prove that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. So these three are important formula, and these six are important definition of trigonometry. So right now we are standing at that point where you are understanding and thinking that why trigonometry is difficult. Trigonometry is not difficult, but lots of formulas, definitions, ratios are coming in the trigonometry that makes the trigonometry a little bit complex. But that much complex you are thinking of, that you can't do it. It's a very complex part. You have to know very good other parts of the mathematics, that not really that, but you know good geometrical knowledge, sorry, and along with some algebra knowledge, so it requiring, so that's why it is given in class 9 and 10. Otherwise it is given in class 5. 9 and 10 you are learning trigonometry means there is some reason behind it, okay. So you have learned six definition of trigonometrical ratios, three value or three formula of trigonometrical ratio. Last one thing I will prove here, then I will end up the class today. In the next week I will share the another I will share, or I will shoot a video of trigonometry for class 9 and 10. So prove that sine theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. Prove it. Can you prove it? Very easy. Very easy. Why I am telling very easy? Because it's a basic fraction operation. Basic fraction operation. H by capital H. Yes, you have learned here. Now base by capital H. You have learned from here. It's now H by capital H into H by B. So you can cancel out H by H. Why? Because a non-zero value. So H by B, what is H by B? H by B is tan theta. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So in the next class, from after I am writing with C, and this type of formula will be going to be add in this list. So make a note of that particular thing. Your mathematical approach, your mathematical vision will be changed after doing my class. Because why I'm telling like that, because it changed for myself. How I have learned, I am sharing my knowledge with you, how I have learned. So the vision of mathematics have changed for myself. So at that time, if you are learning like that, the vision of mathematics, the approach to solve a problem will be changed for you yourself also. So that I am that type of, that much confident regarding that. So your mathematical view vision will be changed and you will love mathematics. So thank you, student. Today up to now I am winding up the class. So you hope you have understanding and note, you have noted down the definitions and formulas from the C. It will be continued, to be continued. Okay, thank you.